Hooray! Key to Wealth Academy is 1 year old today. Wow! Key to Wealth Academy has been in existence for some time now and is celebrating its 1 year anniversary today. Isn't that great? Key to Wealth Academy is an educational agency that provides online training to individuals whose interest is to acquire digital skills. We teach digital skills including graphic designing, mini interpretation, website design, copywriting, and many more. Our aim is to teach digital skills to interested individuals and secondly, show them how to make money from the skills they have acquired. All this is done to kick poverty out of our generation and raise digital entrepreneurs. We have trained over 900 students to acquire these skills and they are now CEOs of themselves. Happy birthday, Key to Wealth Academy. Long live Key to Wealth Academy. Gaining financial breakthrough.